Welcome to our channel, Nourish Nation. Today, we're diving into a vital health topic: how to improve kidney health. Your kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste, balancing bodily fluids, and regulating blood pressure. So, keeping them healthy is essential for your overall well-being. First, hydrate wisely. Water is your kidney's best friend. Aim to drink about 8 to 10 glasses daily. Proper hydration helps flush out toxins and reduce the risk of kidney stones. But remember, too much can be harmful, especially if you have kidney disease, so consult your doctor about the right amount for you. Next, eat a balanced diet. Focus on fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Reducing sodium intake is key. Excess salt can increase blood pressure and damage your kidneys over time. Also, be mindful of processed foods, as they often contain high levels of sodium and unhealthy additives. Keep your blood sugar in check. High blood sugar can lead to kidney damage, especially in diabetics. Regular monitoring and management through diet and medication can help mitigate this risk. Pair this with maintaining a healthy blood pressure, as hypertension is another significant factor in kidney damage. Exercise regularly. Physical activity helps control weight, lower blood pressure, and improve cardiovascular health, all of which benefit your kidneys. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate activity, like brisk walking, each week. Limit your intake of over-the-counter medications. Certain pain relievers and anti-inflammatory drugs can harm your kidneys if taken excessively. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new medication or supplement. Lastly, don't smoke and limit alcohol consumption. Smoking reduces blood flow to the kidneys and accelerates kidney damage. Alcohol in excess is toxic and can strain the kidneys, leading to long-term harm. In conclusion, improving kidney health is a combination of lifestyle choices. By making these changes, you can support your kidneys and enjoy better health. Remember, always seek personalized advice from healthcare professionals, as individual needs can vary. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more health tips. Take care.